Hello everyone, my name is Govind and I'm currently working as a data analyst, and I welcome you all to my channel The Analytics Engine, where I share content related to data analytics. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how can you turn off the auto date hierarchy that has that got created by Power BI in the backend. So what are auto date hierarchies? So wherever like the date column is present in your Power BI file. Suppose this is my Power BI data model, like the data set. So wherever like there is a date column, so you can see automatically Power BI has created the date hierarchy, and in date hierarchy it creates 4 columns: year, quarter, month and day. So wherever the date column is present, ship date, for order date, for ship date, for order date, it creates this 4 column date table automatically in the backend. So the disadvantage of this is that your file size gets bigger because there are more table present in your data which are hidden date tables, because this table doesn't appear in your data model, but in backend these tables are present. So you must turn it off for better performance of your report and like to reduce the file size. So how can you do that? So currently I'm working on a scenario scopy. This is my file name. Let me show you the file size for it. So you can see the file size is currently 1406 KB. Now go to the file tab, go to the options and settings, and then go to the options. The new window will appear. So in current file, go to the data load, and from here there is an option time intelligence. Just turn it off. You don't have to make it checked, but deselect it and click on OK. Save your file. Okay, now if you see, wherever like there is a date column, my date hierarchies now, like for order date, ship date and other date column, my date hierarchies has gone away. And if I show you the size of the file, so let me refresh it. So before it was 1406 KB around, and now it has reduced to 1357 KB. So with this setting you can reduce your file size and you can uh, improve the performance of your report. So yes, this is all about this video. Thank you so much, and if you like my content, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much.